In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablets on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. GAOMON WH851 Drawing Tablet. The GAOMON WH851 is a versatile and lightweight graphic tablet designed for creative professionals and enthusiasts. With an 8-inch screen size and a working area of 203.2 by 127 mm, PC mode, it features Bluetooth 5.0 for wireless connectivity to Windows, Mac OS, Android, Chrome OS, Harmony OS, and Linux devices, offering a smooth and latency-free experience. The tablet is equipped with a battery-free EMR pen with 16,384 pressure levels, plus or minus 60 degrees tilt functionality, and a solid pen tip for realistic strokes. It includes 8 programmable press keys, a mechanical dial, and a function switch button to enhance productivity. The WH851 boasts a slim 7.5mm design, a long-lasting 18-hour battery life, and quick charging capabilities. Compatible with various drawing and design software, it serves as a reliable tool for digital art, note-taking, online classes, and more. The package includes essential accessories like a pen, extra nibs, glove, USB-C adapter, and cleaning cloth for a comprehensive creative experience. Number 2. Bisofice Drawing Tablet. The Bisofice 12 HD A is an 11.6-inch digital graphic tablet featuring an IPS LCD screen with a resolution of 1366 by 768, 16.7 m color depth, and a 178 degrees viewing angle for vivid and clear visuals. It offers 8,192 pressure levels, a fast response rate of 25 milliseconds, and a pen resolution of 5080 LPI, ensuring precise and natural drawing experiences. The battery-free stylus comes with customizable buttons and magnetic attachment for convenience. It is compatible with Windows 7 and above, Mac OS 10.11 or above, and various creative software such as Photoshop, SAI, and Adobe Illustrator, making it ideal for applications like illustration, design, animation, and online education. The tablet includes practical accessories like extra pen nibs, a cleaning cloth, a protective cover, and a foldable metal stand for ergonomic use. Lightweight at 0.8 kilograms, it has a compact design with a 258 by 145 mm active area and is powered via USB with plug-and-play functionality. Number 3. GAOMON M1220 Graphic Tablet. The GAOMON M1220 is a high-performance graphic tablet designed for digital art, education, and professional use. It features a 12-inch screen with a resolution of 1920 by 1080, supporting 8,192 levels of pen pressure sensitivity for precise control and creativity. The tablet includes 8 customizable shortcut keys and 13 multimedia keys for enhanced functionality, along with a touch ring and round key that support dial features in Windows 10. The battery-free pen, AP32, offers tilt support for varied brush strokes, and the tablet is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Android systems with OTG support. It works seamlessly with popular online education and meeting platforms such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meeting. The package includes the M1220 tablet, a battery-free pen, pen nibs and clip, felt pouches, a pen case, a Type-C cable, and a multilingual quick start guide. Made of durable plastic, the tablet is lightweight and portable, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and professionals. Number 4. GAOMON PD156 Pro. The GAOMON PD156 Pro is a 15.6-inch pen tablet monitor designed for digital artists and creators. It features a full laminated HD screen with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 and an 88% NTSC color gamut, providing vibrant and accurate colors. The device supports 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, a passive AP50 pen with tilt support, and comes with 8 replacement nibs stored in the pen holder. It includes 9 express keys, a customizable redial function, and an adjustable stand for enhanced usability. The screen is equipped with AG film to reduce glare and provide a paper-like drawing experience. The tablet supports both Windows 7, 8, 8.1 or above, and Mac OS 10.12 or above, and is compatible with popular drawing software like Photoshop, Illustrator, Krita, and more. The package includes essential accessories such as a 2-in-1 cable, power adapter, glove, cleaning cloth, and quick start guide. Note that it requires connection to a laptop or desktop via USB Type-A and HDMI, and it does not work as a standalone device. Users are advised to ensure proper driver installation and follow guidelines for optimal performance. Number 5. GAOMON M10K Pro. The GAOMON M10K Pro is a 10x 6.25-inch digital graphic tablet designed for artists and creators, offering compatibility with Windows, Mac OS, and Android OS 6.0 or later. It features a 1920 by 1280 screen resolution, 8192 pressure levels, a plus or minus 60 degrees tilt function, and a 266 pps report rate for a smooth and precise drawing experience. The tablet is equipped with a battery-free stylus, AP32, a radial touch controller for zooming or adjusting brushes, and 10 customizable shortcut keys to enhance productivity. Its OTG function allows seamless connection to Android devices, while it supports popular drawing software like Photoshop, Krita, and Clip Studio Paint. The package includes the tablet, stylus, pen nibs, pen case, USB cable, and other accessories. Made of durable plastic with a sleek design, the M10K Pro is ideal for sketching, shading, and creating digital art.